name is Rima Ilebo, MD. I am the medical director of the Natural Solutions Foundation, a humanitarian charity chartered in the United States and active all over the world. Ebola virus is surging through West Africa. The fact is that we are all one plane ride away from a cataclysm. And as of now, it is said that there is no treatment against Ebola, and that is not true. In fact, there is a well-known, well-characterized nutrient that is nano silver. It is non-toxic, it does not require refrigeration, it is inexpensive, self-sterilizing, and can be given to every member of the community, from the tiniest baby or pregnant mother to the oldest, most fragile granny. Nano silver leaves the beneficial bacteria and the healthy cells of the patient unaffected, but it does kill every pathogen against which it has been tested worldwide without exception. There is no other effective solution. Now, why hasn't nano silver been brought forward already as a treatment against Ebola? There are many reasons. The fact is, it is available now. It is available in large quantities and is unlimited in its effectiveness. The Natural Solutions Foundation and I stand ready to assist you and your people and the people of the world in deploying this safe, non-toxic, inexpensive, and available solution against Ebola and every other communicable disease which threatens us on this planet. Thank you for your time and attention.